Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself with Wayne. Have you ever had trouble adding gasoline to your lawnmower or other lawn equipment? Well, I do, for various reasons. And you may have an old style spout like this. You may have the new style like these that are a little easier to use. You may have a jerry can, which have gotten kind of popular with some people that don't have a spout. Or you may be getting older and these 5-gallon cans are just too heavy to lift and handle. There's a lot of reasons that you may have trouble. So today we're going to do a tool review on this liquid transfer pump. Now we're going to demonstrate it using gasoline, but it can be used for other liquids as well. Now I took the product out of the box. These are the instructions. I always recommend to people, always read your instructions. I know these things are boring, but there may be something in here that you didn't know that could save you from getting hurt or hurting something. So always read the instructions, particularly the warnings. And I will scan this and I'll put a copy of it at my website, DIYwithWayne.com. And also down in the description, I'll put a link to the exact page where my review of this product is on my website, where you can read the full manual if you choose to. So this is the tool. I've already put batteries in it. The batteries go in, positive end in first, kind of opposite of a flashlight, but the positive end goes in first. There is a little guide here on the side that tells you how the batteries go. It's kind of hard to read, but it is on there. The cap doesn't seem to fit really good, but it does go on there. There was a little sticker on the end that you remove. It said you can test it with a sticker on there, but not to run it more than 10 seconds. But I've taken the sticker off. We're ready to use it. What you do is the black hose goes into your gas can. This goes into your mower. They tell you to keep this part higher than where you're putting the gas in. All right. So let me get my gas can here. Let's see, that one's got some gas in it. That's the wrong one. Let's use this one. This one's about full. If I can get the cap off of it. All right. Put that down in there. And take the cap off here. Switch on the top, we should be able to turn it on and fill this up. There we go. Gasoline's running from my tank or my gas can into my lawnmower. Pretty good flow. Better cut that off or I'm gonna fill it up. All right, now let me pull this thing back out. The thing's got a little insert in it. That's a little bit of an issue. All right, let's see if there's any in it. I don't think it holds anything. Nope, doesn't seem to be any gas left in it. The instructions do tell you to wipe this thing down and clean it before you store it. Let's see, that should go in there for storage like that. A little thing there for storing the end of your hose. But the instructions do tell you to wipe it down and clean it and take the batteries out of it when you're through. But anyway, that's it. It seems to work really well. Had a better flow through the hose than I was expecting. That was nice. So anyway, that's my review. It seems to work well. Now in my description, but down below the video, over time, if this works well or if it doesn't work well, I will add to the description to let you know. Did it fail after I used it 3 or 4 times, or did it work long term? I will add that to the description over time, so that'll give you some idea about how it lasts a long time, or over time. Now we purchased this at Harbor Freight. We've also found that you can purchase them through Amazon, and a lot of your big box stores also carry a product that looks like it. They probably came from the same factory in China, but we will put a link to the Amazon store where you can purchase this, but there are other places. So anyway, just like to say thank you for visiting. Do It Yourself with Wayne. We hope you have a great day.